Got our replacement heifers turned out on pasture. They've been giving us all kinds of sass. They've broken out of here like 2 times. They've had their booster vaccinations. They've all been ear tagged. Now we're just trying to get them to calm down. Each morning, we go around this pasture, check the fence, drive them down to hay, water, and cake them. It takes them a while to settle down. They still want to get back to their mothers. Things like that deer can really set them off. A couple of nights ago, a good friend of mine and I were camping up in the hills. We drove in at night. That was a mistake. This calf saw our headlights, stampeded right towards us. There's the cake wagon. We'll keep working with them. Pretty soon they'll settle down and get with the program. What do you think, Saya? Starting to calm down, get with the program. Here's the last gate that the calves broke. We'll fix this and be back in business.